What's up YouTube, it's your girl D and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I customize and pluck my laces. I'm going to take the BW3 powder, 1.5 scoops of that, and half of what the powder is for the 40 volume developer, and just mix that with a spoon, not a spoon, a knife, y'all know what I meant, y'all see it. Mixing that up, and my consistency should be more thick like concrete, and what I want to do is test that out and see. Obviously it's not, so I'm going to go back in and add half a scoop more of BW3 powder and just mix that in, and then I'll have the right consistency after that. Now that we got the right consistency, we're going to go ahead and just take the bleach and get ready to put that on the knots. So the key to this is to spread it like it's butter, but not push into it. When you push the bleach into the lace, it causes it to bleed along with, other stuff. So you just take that, spread that across like it's some butter. Now that we're done, I'm going to show you the lace. As you can see, there's no bleach sitting on my hair, so I'm going to let that sit for a good 30 to 45 minutes and then come back, and we're going to take it. As you can see, it has been lightened. I'm going to wash it out. I am washing it out in the sink at the salon that I work at. You guys can wash it out at home in your sink, same steps, just different locations, okay? Now I'm going to take my Shimmer Lights shampoo, and I'm going to just go ahead and start shampooing the knots. This tones the knots, so it takes out all the orange and brassiness and makes it like a light yellow, or if you bleached it long enough or longer than that, it makes it kind of ash white. So it's easier to blend it in and you can't see it. It camouflages the knots so well. So once you rinse that out, you can kind of see that it blends in great with my skin. So that's how you know it's going to be good. I'm going to place it on top of my mannequin head, and we are going to get ready to pluck, girl. Okay, so this is not a detailed video of me plucking. If you guys do want one, I will do that. The easiest way to explain how I pluck is I pull the first pieces of hair to the front, and I just go and I try to create windows. So I go and I try to create windows. So I will pluck, leave a space of hair, pluck, leave a space of hair, and I just keep going back and forth until I like how it looks. And this kind of helps me stop from over plucking, so that's also good. I just comb the hair out every time I go back and forth one time, and I'll go in again and see what I need to fix. And yeah, I keep doing that until I'm comfortable with just that section. Then I'll go and part another thin piece of hair, pull that piece of hair to the front, and I'll do the same exact thing over and over. I do this for at least 2 to 3 rows, and then I'll come back to the front, as you guys are going to see later, and then I'll do the same window technique on the hairs in the front. And when I pluck in sections. So I go the middle, the left side, the right side. That helps me not over pluck everything, and I don't rush anything. I take my time, and it looks great. So now I'm going to comb it all back, and there's never really too many hairs in the front, which is why I always do that last. I go in and I just make the windows, and I pluck one piece like now, then go over, pluck one piece, go over. Like I leave spaces, gaps. And you guys kind of see me go back in, and I'm making those windows a little bit more apparent by pushing the sides of the hairs and pulling. I'm going to do this to the other two sections, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I flatten out this frontal. Now that I'm all plucked, I'm going to take my ion styling heat protectant spray, and I'm going to just spray that across the hairline of my frontal. I'm going to go and take my hot comb, and I'm just going to run the hot comb right through the hair. As I run it through the hair, I'm going to press onto the hair so that it gets it nice and flat. And there you guys have it. Your frontal is all plucked, and it is bleached. It is straight and flat. It's ready to go on your head or your client's head. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.